Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. I hope you all are doing great. And I'm sorry for being late. I was stuck with some of my personal work and all that stuff was going on. So yeah, but we will be continuing from today itself in the same flow as we were doing. Okay, so I think in the last session or in the previous session we were talking about what is like a virtual environment, was it what is like web framework and Python and all that stuff. So yeah, in the same sequence from today itself we were going to have like to going to see like what is Flask and do some of the basic stuff, right? So I have created one folder here. Okay, this is Flask basic. Okay, and I have opened this in Python. Now, first thing what I have to do is, like if you remember, we have to create one virtual environment, right? So let's create one virtual environment. So let's create. Okay. So for that, if you have to do Python -m, if you haven't installed Python VNV, just install Python v pip install VNV. Just do this. Okay, do this one. Okay, cannot find the version. Okay, let's see. What's the command? Pip install VNV virtual environment. Okay, you have to write the virtual env. Now this is the command. So just go and install this. Okay, just go and see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. Okay. Just install pip install virtual env. This is the command, I guess. Okay, I have already installed this, so it is like showing that requirement already satisfied. But if you haven't installed it, just install it. Then you have to do just Python -m vnv and create env. This is your virtual environment. Okay, so it will create one virtual environment for you, and I will use Bash. You can use like command prompt or anything, right? I don't have like any problem, but I prefer to use Bash. So I think, yep, environment is created. Okay, so some of the indexing and all that stuff is going on, so I'm just pausing the video and I will be continuing once everything is completed. Okay, okay, now everything is completed, so I will just activate my environment. So source env activate, and this is the command. Okay, so if you're using bash, right, so git bash, so you have to write source, right, source env script activated. If you're using local terminal and all that stuff, so you will just have to write env script and then activate. Okay, so if you're using bash, so you have to add like source. Okay, once you get like this, okay, your env name, like here. Okay, my virtual environment name is like env. So your like once you see some syntax like this, or like your virtual name here, okay, virtual environment name here, so your virtual environment is activated. Now first thing you have to install is like pip install Flask. Pip install Flask. Okay, so it will install the Flask. Now, what is Flask and all that stuff? So we will go through the documentation. So Flask is what? Flask is a Python-based web framework. Okay, so by using Flask, you can create some of the web application. Okay, and you can use for making APIs and all that. I will show you like how you can do so. But from like for now, you have to just look like yep here a quick intro, a minimal, okay, quick start, a minimal application. So how you can create like Flask, right, web like any application in Flask. So first thing you have to do is like from Flask import Flask. Okay, then this is one object you're creating from this class. Okay, and then you're just saying that app.route and def hello world, like hello world is a function and return hello world. Okay, don't worry if you're not getting anything. I will explain you what is going on here. So I will be going here. Just create one main.py. Okay, I will create main.py. Okay, now in this file you have to import like from sorry yep from Flask. Yep, you have to import libraries, so Flask again. Then why? Okay, my environment is not set up. Okay, first virtual first basic environment. Okay. Now just wait. Okay, so I'm importing libraries. So from Flask, I have imported Flask and then render templates, request. For now, just this one. Okay, then I will create one app and I will have Flask. I will just give it the name. Okay, now at the rate app dot route app dot route okay, main def main. Okay, now you have to return like render, but just I can return hello world. Okay, and then I will say app.run. That's it. Okay, and now what I will do, just I will if you want to just click a right click and run the main. Okay, I preferably like don't use this, so I will just write python main.py and run. Okay, so yeah, so once you see this message, right, like okay, which will be listening. So I will tell you. Okay, so what happened here? So when you have imported these libraries, you have created one object from this class. Okay, and then you have written app.route at the rate app.route. Okay, and you have given slash. Okay, and then you have created one function which is returning hello world, and then you have created app.run. So what happened actually, that when you have just hit the python main.run like main.py, right, this file got executed. And when this file got executed, one of the app was created. Okay, one of this app was created, and which by default it is running on like a that it is running on 12700. Like when you land on some of the website, right, what you see on the home page, right, like you open any website, what you see on the home page, it is similar to like that. So whatever you have to whatever you have to uh, display on the home page, right, you will write under slash. Okay, so it is listening on this port number and this port number. So when like I will tell you, just we will do uh, one more. I will create one more route again, one more route, and I will create like contact. Okay, and then I will create def contact, and I will return mm, hello. contact, or just contact at the rate one two contact 123 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, kind of thing. This is a dummy variable. Okay, now if I have to just I will have to run this again. Okay, I'm running this again. Just see what is happening right now. So what is happening, your app is running on this. By default it will serve you what you have written here. So what that it mean, if you will click here. Okay, so this here is a home path. Okay, that slash one. And if you will write like contact. Okay, contact, why it is not showing contact, right? Yep. Why, what happened? Okay, just wait, what happened? I've saved. Okay, let me rerun. Contact, everything is good. Okay, so URL not found. What happened? Mm, app.route contact. It should be running. Okay, so yes, what I was telling you is like so. Just let me tell you. So yeah, so as you can see, right, when you will click on the link, right, so this is your home path, or this is your home things, right? So this slash is nothing but is your home path. Whenever you will click on this link, right, it will redirect to that like it will redirect to this slash route. Okay, so after that, if you have to create any route, like just like I have created contact, right? So if I will just do one thing here, contact, right? So you can see contact at the 123 at the rate gmail.com. So now I hope you're getting it. So this is like what is happening. Your app is listening on this port. Okay. By default, it will serve you whatever it is written under this part. This is your home directory. Okay. Home page kind of thing, right? By default it will serve you this page, right, or this route. Okay, now after that, if you have to just create any more more urls and more routes. Okay, then you have to create like this. And what will happen, right, that it will listen. Okay, so what is happening, your app is listening on this port. Whenever you will enter like contact, right, slash contact, what is happening, it will see whether there is a route we have as like contact. If the route matches, okay, it will serve you that that service. Okay, so now if you have to create one more thing, like if I will create route, okay, and before that let me, okay, before saving anything, so I'm not saving address. Okay, and just copy this now. Okay, I will not save this. And let's see what is happening right now if I will just do address here. Okay, just do address. So you, what it is saying, that there is a error not found. The request URL was not found on the server. If you have entered the URL manually, please check your spelling and try again. So what is happening when you are giving like route as slash, right? So like slash address, right? So what is happening? It is like cross checking or crowd, like it will seeing like do we have any routes called address. So since we don't have right now any routes, right, as address, right, so it is giving you an error. So now if I will just do this, okay, and read on this, now what will happen? See this. Okay. So address at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you, that this is one of the basics. So one of the basic thing is like this: you have to create the routes like this and all that, so you can create services. Don't worry if you're still not getting it. Okay, so just for this video I just want to make you explain that how you can make app, okay, and how you can create like routes. Okay, these two are my agenda of today. Okay, if you're getting these two of things, that will be enough, right? Now how we will proceed further, like how we will create files, how we will create like services and all that stuff. We'll be like seeing those things, right, going forward. But right now what I have to like explain you is like how you can create apps and how you can create routes and what is routes. Okay, now if you have to render some of the if you are dealing with like web application, right, for sure you have to create some of the like some of the html part and all that stuff, right? You have to give the some of the like right now it is not like website, right? You can see it is not like website, it is just like a text, right? Random text or whatever, like not random text, this is the function text what we are returning. Okay, so uh, I already have html things with me. So this is my html code. Okay, now what I will do, I will just what I will do, return render templates, and I will just have home.html. Now what I will do, okay, you can see. So that's how I'm getting this. So let me tell you. So what I have done is, first of all, I have changed return render template. Okay, so make sure that your whenever you're making your HTML like HTML folder, it should name as templates. Okay, the name should be same templates. Okay, now inside the templates, I have home.html page. So this is nothing but a HTML file. Okay, so in that HTML file, I have like a little bit of CSS, little bit of like HTML tags and all that stuff is here, right? And then what I have done is like I have created one of like I have created that file, okay, and then I'm just returning render template, and inside that I have just given the home.html file name, okay. So by default, it will automatically detect from this folder, okay. I have to render this file, okay, as you have written home.html. So now when there was no HTML file was included, it was showing hello world kind of thing, right? It was showing like that. But right now it is displaying your home HTML pages, right? So this is your home HTML, right? And now if you have to create something like the same for like a contact and all that, okay. So if I have to create similar thing for contact, okay, let's see contact.html, okay, and this is contact. I'm just editing that HTML file and nothing else, so I will just remove this. Welcome to my contact page. Okay, so now if I have to include this as well, so I will just copy paste it. Okay, and I will just have contact. Now if I will go here and if I will just type contact, see, welcome to my contact page, contact, and this is contact. Okay, now this is the thing I just want to make sure that every one of you getting it. Okay, now I will give you a quick brief what I have to explain you today and what we have done. Okay, I just want to explain you what is app, how you can create app, how you can create route. Okay, and if you're getting how we have used like render templates and how we have created that folder templates and how we have created that HTML tags, HTML code. Right? Don't worry if you're not getting HTML code right. If you will just go online, okay, and just search for like templates for homepage, template for contact, and all that, you will be getting the homepage like a template like HTML files there itself. Okay, so yeah. Now if you have to do like if you don't know like HTML and all that, you can just type on the net like I want to have like a HTML code and HTML file for homepage. You can like see like how things are working and learn it from here. Or I will just give you a quick brief. Okay, so what is happening in HTML page, right? So HTML page is nothing but it is a like a structure of any web application. Okay, so right now what is happening, so this is your header. Okay, so header is like your heading. Okay, this is your heading one, and this is your navigation where you want to navigate. Okay, this is your div is like a container. Okay, inside there I have heading two. Okay, and this is like a p tag. P tag is used for like paragraph, and this is footer. Footer is like for your website below that, below the website, right? Somewhere here or some kind of here, like you have seen like my website, all right, reserved and all that stuff. So this is the thing. Okay, now if I have to go with the go with like yeah, that's the same thing like contact, same thing is there. So yeah, so then you have to create a template folder. Inside the template folder I have contact.html and home.html. Now this thing I have to make you explain today, like I have like I tried my best to make you understand what I have done, and I hope you're getting it. Now for next you have to go with like I hope I haven't tell you this, but yeah, this is get post delete put. Okay, for now just search it by yourself what is this. Okay, and from like from the next video I will be telling you what is this. So this is nothing but this is the methods I will tell you. So methods of API, of calling API, of calling API. So these are the get, post, delete, put are the methods of calling an API. Okay, so just search it by yourself and do some research or kind of thing. Read some of the article. What is this? Okay, from next video I will be telling you what we will be doing. From the next video we will be starting from this. Okay, and I think like I will have to tell something more in depth about like Flask. Okay, so I've just given the like very brief, like very intro, like a very basic thing, right? In the Flask. Okay, there are a lot many more things are in Flask. So anyway, you can go on the Flask documentation as well. I think like it will be helpful. So you can see, right? So a minimal Flask application look like this. So this is what we have done. Okay, now. There's the Flask class, there's the Flask class, as I told you, right? We are importing the class and all that. Yeah, these things are here, and meanwhile you can just go through that this documentation, and don't worry, we will be going like step by step, and I will be making you understand what is Flask, and then we will be moving forward, right? So yeah, this is what done from my side. Okay, hope you all are getting it. Okay, and yeah, I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.